5 best tips for launching a successful Shopify store. Launching an online store on Shopify can be an exciting venture, but it takes careful planning and execution to stand out in the crowded e-commerce landscape. Here are 5 essential tips to help ensure a successful launch. 1. Nail your niche. Identifying and catering to a specific niche is crucial for success. Rather than trying to be everything to everyone, focus on a particular product category, target audience, or unique selling proposition that sets you apart. Conduct thorough market research to understand your potential customers' needs, preferences, and pain points. 2. Optimize for mobile. With the majority of online traffic now coming from mobile devices, it's essential to ensure your Shopify store is optimized for mobile. Choose a responsive theme, prioritize fast load times, and create a seamless mobile experience with easy navigation and a streamlined checkout process. 3. Leverage influencers. Influencer marketing can be a powerful tool for building brand awareness and driving sales, especially when launching a new online store. Identify influencers who align with your brand and target audience, and collaborate with them to create authentic, engaging content that resonates with their followers. 4. Offer free shipping. Free shipping can be a significant incentive for online shoppers and can help increase conversions and average order values. Consider offering free shipping on orders above a certain threshold, or incorporating the shipping costs into your product pricing to provide a more seamless shopping experience. 5. Prioritize customer service. Exceptional customer service is crucial for building brand loyalty and fostering long-term success. Implement efficient support channels, e.g., live chat, email, social media. Provide clear policies, e.g., returns, exchanges, and go above and beyond to deliver outstanding customer experiences. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to launching a successful Shopify store that stands out from the competition, attracts and retains customers, and drives sustainable growth for your online business.